So let's look at subquery. So when we say subquery, so subquery is a query inside another query. Right, subquery is a query inside another query. Right, that's what you just need to know about subquery. Just like sometimes you need a result of one select to feed into another. So let me show you like two patterns where you use this often. So you can say select name and email from a particular user. Then want to say where the ID is in. So here now, let me bring this down here. Where the ID now is in select user's ID. Okay, I think I need to modify this to what I want it to be. So we can have like select distinct. Distinct user ID from others. Right. So here now, the inner query run first. Then it returns a list of user ID that appear in the other table. The outer query then filters the users only those whose ID is in that list. Read it inside out and give me the users whose ID is in the list of the IDs of the other. So this we first run right here now. It's going to get distinct user ID from the others. Then it's now going to run and feed me the names and the email of every user ID we've gotten from here. So let's run this and see. So here now we are seeing that these are the user IDs in the order. So now it's giving me the details of every single user ID in that order there. So what if we want to use subquery for derived values? So what we are going to do here is that, let's say I want to change this to name, then price. I want to work with a product right now and not the product table. Then I want to work with product here. So I can now say like where price now. So where price now, I can say I don't want to use in is greater than something. So let's come here and say, so where price now is select. So let's say the average price. So where the price is greater than the average price from the product table. And we are not ending there. We still want to order this. So I cannot say, okay, order by price in descending order. So if we run this now, we see that this query will first run first. It's going to select it's going to find the average price from the product. Then it's going to find where the price of this product is greater than it. Then with name and the one of those products. So here now we can see that the laptops and the headphones are the price. So the inner values return a single number. That's the average price. So the outer now query using this number in comparison to what we have on the table itself. So this is clean and readable as you can see it. And the alternative is to calculate the average separately, note the number, then write a second query. But subquery now, you can do all of that in one shot. Exactly. So I'll just show you one quick thing on this again. So here I'm just going to say right here, select name, then email. Right, then I want to see subquery as a column right here. So you select name, select email, then if you want to come out this like, then I want to have something like, alright. So here now I want to have another select now, and I want to have count, then order. Then this will like be like order.user ID equals to users.id. So we're having this as order count itself from users, order by, Or this way. So this is a correlated subquery now. So the inner query references the outer query current row. For each user row, the subquery is going to run and count the specific user orders. So it's slightly less efficient than join with group by itself for large data sets. So you understand what I'm saying now? So, but it reads very naturally when it's run perfectly. So let me just copy this now and let's paste this here. So here now we can see what's going on here. You can see we get the name, we get the email, we get the order count, right? So that's all for subquery.